Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to post photos on TikTok using a PC. Let's get started. First, open your TikTok account on your computer. Next, click on the upload button in the left panel of the screen. This will take you to TikTok Studio. Here, click on the select video or upload option and choose the photo or media file you want to post from your PC. After selecting your file, enter the description you want for your post. Then, choose the privacy settings. You can set it to everyone or select any other option that suits your needs. If you want to make any changes, click on the edit option to trim or adjust your media. Once you're satisfied with everything, go back and click on the post button at the bottom of the page. TikTok will now upload and publish your media. After the upload is complete, your post will be available on your TikTok profile. And that's it. This is how to post photos on TikTok using a PC. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.